I've been digging crates ever since I was living in space. From further rat race, from he had the traits. I mastered numerology, big bang theology, perform lobotomies with telekinetic psychology. Invented the mic so I can start blessing it. Chin checking just to make my point like an impressionist. Many men have tried to shake us, but I took my course and double helixes and showed them what I'm made of. I buckle these like leg braces, cast the spell of instrumentalness and all you who hate us. You can try on, and with that I show you to cry on. From now to infinity, let icons be bygones. I firebomb, ghostly no on this. I tried threats, but moved on to a promise. I stopped with the with that and that promise, and run that gauntlet with whoever that wants this. The unforgettable sound, bringing you up and taking you down, coming at you from every side. It's the rhythm of rhyme collide. The unforgettable sound, bringing you up and taking you down, coming at you from every side. It's the rhythm of rhyme collide.
Fools slipped up and overstepped.